Looking to transform your spaces? With Command hooks, you can organize and decorate damage-free, indoors or out. Choose from an array of hooks for a variety of needs. Let's start with outdoor hooks. Light clips make it easy to bring illumination to any setting. Space them every 2 feet along gutters or railings for a secure, perfectly spaced display. Clear window hooks virtually disappear on glass to make decorations stand out, and feature UV-resistant adhesives so they stay looking clear and clean. Metal hooks bring a sophistication to any outdoor space, but this party's just getting started. Let's take things indoors. Organize with elegance. The triple hook is a perfect home for coats, bags, hats, and more. Wire toggle hooks offer an adjustable hold to simplify everything from seasonal decorations to cleaning tools. Cord bundlers help keep your spaces looking clean and tidy. The medium hook comes in a variety of finishes to add a touch of style. For each of these options, your first step is to gather your supplies: rubbing alcohol, a clean cloth, your Command hook, and adhesive strips. Clean your surface with rubbing alcohol only. Water and household cleaners leave slippery residues. Avoid attaching adhesives to surfaces like wallpaper that could tear. Identify what kind of hook you're using. Some have just one piece, and some have 2. If there are multiple adhesive strips, separate them. Outdoor strips come with blue liners, while indoor strips come with red liners. Outdoor strips are water and UV resistant, and specially formulated to withstand most weather conditions. For clear window hooks, after you've cleaned your surface, remove the black liner first and apply the strip to the window, pressing firmly for 30 seconds. Then, remove the blue liner and press the hook to the strip firmly for another 30 seconds. For all others, remove the blue or red liner and press the adhesive liner firmly to the back of the hook. If you're using a triple hook, attach all 3 adhesive strips to the back plate. Then, remove the black liner and press to the surface. For 2-piece hooks, press firmly to your surface for 10 seconds, just to get it in place. For all others, press for 30 seconds. To reinforce the strips for 2-piece hooks, temporarily remove the hook from the wall by gently sliding it up and off of the back plate, and press the back plate firmly for 30 seconds. Now that your hook is in place, let the adhesive build for 1 hour, and you're ready to go. But what if you want to remove or reposition your hangers? It's simple. For 2-piece hooks, start by removing the hook from the back plate by gently sliding it up and off. Hold your hook or back plate gently in place with one hand, and with the other, slowly pull the tab straight down against the surface. Do not pull toward yourself, or it could tear. If your strip breaks, use dental floss to remove the hook. Then, pull it as normal to remove the rest of the strip. And you're all set. Now you can organize, decorate, or redecorate, damage-free. Command products make it easy to make your space your own, indoors or out.